This is going to be a quick look at a PADI Rescue course here at Badladz with our instructor Nhel, our lovely guest Annisa, our Webmaster Sherwin, and our admin Head Mabel. Yes, obviously I've sped this up, but this is just to give you an idea of some of the skills you learn in the PADI Rescue course. Like how to turn your friend into a motorboat. Many of our staff here at Badladz are PADI-certified divers, including maintenance, waitresses, reception. Sherwin and Mabel are the first to become rescue certified. Our instructor Nhel is playing the panic drowning diver, which is actually more work than it looks like. Along with water rescue, the course also includes emergency first response, medical care for medical emergencies. Something good to know anytime. You'll also find that this course will give you more confidence as a diver, as you'll be learning skills you wouldn't normally learn in any of your other dive courses. And you also get taught how to self-rescue, which is a real confidence builder. I just noticed this actually looks quite mean at this speed. No, this isn't a kid's game. It's actually how to search for a diver on the bottom with little or no visibility. Now it's off to the ocean. Practice these skills under real life conditions.